California dreaming about you.
Hey guys, welcome to our first video. The news has spread that 2 new Earth-like habitable world has been discovered by NASA. Let's take a peek into their official video.
In May 2016, an international team of astronomers announced the discovery of 3 small exoplanets orbiting an ultra-cool dwarf star just 40 light-years away called TRAPPIST-1. Now, the Hubble Space Telescope has taken the first steps toward characterizing the atmospheres of 2 of these planets. This is the first time anyone has taken spectroscopic measurements of an Earth-sized exoplanet. A lot is unknown about these planets. Their atmospheres could range from a thin, tenuous atmosphere like Mars to a mostly gaseous body composed of hydrogen and helium like Neptune. If there were large, inhospitable hydrogen-helium atmospheres on these planets, the Hubble Space Telescope would be able to detect it through measuring changes in the host star's spectrum of light as the planets pass between us and the star. On May 4th, Hubble had the rare opportunity to observe a transit of both TRAPPIST-1b and TRAPPIST-1c as they crossed the disk of their star just minutes apart. After analyzing the data, the results are in. These 2 Earth-sized planets likely do not have thick hydrogen-helium atmospheres. They are probably not miniature gas giants, so that increases the likelihood that they could be rocky bodies like Earth. This still leaves several remaining possibilities for their atmospheres. Possibly they have thick atmospheres like Venus. Perhaps they have almost no atmospheres at all, like Mars. Or maybe they have moderate-sized atmospheres with oxygen and water vapor, like Earth. The next step in distinguishing between these remaining atmospheric scenarios will be to use the Hubble Space Telescope to follow up on these 2 planets and detect whether or not these atmospheres have molecules like water vapor or methane. After the James Webb Space Telescope is launched in 2018, Webb will then be able to observe farther into the infrared wavelengths to measure other important gases like carbon dioxide or ozone. And with its increased resolution, we'll even be able to provide data on atmospheric temperature and pressure, so we'll soon have a much more thorough understanding of the atmospheres of these planets. The TRAPPIST-1 planetary system is one example of how telescopes on the ground and in space are making huge strides in discovering and characterizing planets with similarities to our own, and are on the hunt for evidence of alien life.
You.